What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, going through, I guess the black hole of social media content. Obviously, I see a lot of cryptocurrency things that come my way because of how the algorithm is set up. Um, what I watch more frequently, whether that or car videos or collectibles or whatever, but a lot of cryptocurrency comes up. And I see some people that are saying sell your cryptocurrency because a larger crash is coming. Even if that is true, to where we are going to see a larger crash that could come, even though we honestly, when we look at history, it shows that within the next month or so, we should see things blow up. And, in 2025, we're going to see more of an effective or a larger altcoin season and everything absolutely explode. That's what it looks like. However, there's always an opposite that can come into play. And we've seen that liquidation trains have happened and things have fallen. But even if that does happen, it doesn't mean that everybody needs to go and just sell all of their cryptocurrency. I treat it as if it's a an ETF or a long term investment and hold on to that position for a long period of time. Believe in that position for a long period of time and continue to average into it. I think that's kind of the mindset that needs to be had. But let's have a deeper conversation about this. Why this is being said, just all of the above. Guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, at the top of the description, you're going to see a link for Margex. If you guys want to trade things like Bitcoin or Ethereum or BNB at 100x leverage or potentially 100x leverage, it could be a 5x leverage. If you want to trade XRP at a 50x leverage, meme coins at a 25x leverage, feel free to check out my link for Margex down below. It honestly is a very good platform, especially as we're moving into this altcoin season. Now, also, if you want to check out the link for Trade Assist down below, this is something that will help you with your trading. It's a great platform, or actually a great indicator that you use on TradeView, to where it can help you out a ton in understanding when to buy, when to sell, especially if you're looking to do what we're talking about in this video, which is dollar cost average into a play. So feel free to check that out. The link is down below. It's the second link in the description, and you guys can give it a try. Now, cryptocurrency, I believe, is at a better spot than it was yesterday. We were looking at a $2.02 trillion market cap or $2.05 trillion market cap. I can't remember, but we were definitely at a lower point, and now we're about 3% up. So we're seeing a little bit of an increase, but it's kind of fluctuating or leveling out, really. We're seeing kind of the same movement within this same area. It's not going like this, right? It's going like this, and then you see it up and then it comes right back down. That's kind of what we're seeing right now with the cryptocurrency market, because people are uncertain. And when people are uncertain, they start to get scared, right? You can see that the fear and greed index is more towards fear. It's on 34 right now, more towards fear. So a lot of people are afraid of what could happen. We've seen just recently that the crypto market tanked some more, and then hit a liquidation wall, and it absolutely dropped very, very quickly, and then hit another liquidation. So it was just a train of liquidations, which really does suck, and that can happen at any moment. So when people are saying sell your crypto, some people are doing it out of the kindness of their heart and saying, look, I made this mistake on holding on to my crypto for too long. Or I wanted a short term play, I held on to it for too long and ended up falling down. But when you look at the ultimate success, if you're holding something that you're not afraid of losing, right? If you have money that you've invested, nobody wants to lose money. Let's just put that out there. Nobody wants to lose money. But if you're holding things that, or holding amounts that if you did lose it, you will be fine, then you don't have to worry about that long term of it. Because the long term of it, in the next year or so, you should come out on top. However, in the time being, you never know what the fluctuation is going to be, whether it's going to be like right here and then all of a sudden drop down, and then it gives you that opportunity. Now, when you do see that opportunity, which it did provide multiple times, the place to average into it is there. And for you not to take that opportunity, yes, maybe you don't have money, but for you not to take that opportunity, that's where that fear comes into play, where you're like, I don't want to invest more because what if it continues? Then I lose more money. Um, if you truly believe in crypto, it should not be a thought to where you ever sell your crypto. And I never sit here and tell people what to do. But if you were holding rent money and all these things where you need that money right now, then do what you have to do, sell your crypto. But if you are a person that invested comfortable money and you have all the money for your bills, you're good with the long term growth of crypto. Do not sell your crypto. That's just my advice that I would give to you. I never really give advice, but this right here I can say is advice. Don't sell your cryptocurrency, because this is where people make this mistake. You see a market that increases, right, a little bit, you catch word of that market, you get excited about that market, you hear a lot of positive things about that market, and then what happens? Time comes into play. You're like, well, it's been a year. Well, it's been 2 years. Well, it's been 3 years. I don't want to hold this anymore. That's your mindset. Um, and if that's where you are, I'm not going to tell you, you just shouldn't, sell it. Just do whatever you feel is right. It's ultimately your decision. But selling your crypto in a time to where Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Solana, AVAX, all of these projects, newer and newer projects as well, are coming up and making moves, and the government is talking about it. Both presidential campaigns are talking about it. You have, whether things are going to be a security or not, you have ETFs that are being created. You have a lot of funds that are getting interested in investing into cryptocurrency. This is where the ball starts to get rolling. We just released the snowball, and now it's just going to keep gathering snow as it falls down that hill. And by falling down the hill, I mean gathering more and more people. And then you're going to see that explosion of the crypto market. And it's just going to be absolutely amazing when we do see that. That's what I'm going to say to you guys. I really don't have much else. I want to talk about the overall market and where things stand. But honestly, we've been kind of flat. Yes, we did see a decrease yesterday, and it's great to see an increase. But we're back up to where we were, which is not really anything to be super excited about. It's just we're in consolidation. Consolidation tends to lead to bullish momentum, but we're in consolidation and we've been here for a little bit. So I'm excited to see what the future brings, and I'm excited to see or hear what you guys end up making in the end. But if you could, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. I'm going to get out of here. I need some water because my voice it just feels like it's going. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.